G'day everyone, welcome back to the shed. Well, we're going to jump on the lathe and finish off the outside diameter on the bearings for the planetary gears for the differential for the steamroller. This is them here. I've showed them and talked about them before. It's about time we got to and finish this off. It's been dragging on a bit. So we'll get to it. We'll do some measurements, get the final measurements so we can do that nice little interference fit. And then we can set up and do the boring. We're machining the outside diameter of the bearings, the bushes for the planetary gears. We're 1/2 mil oversize at the moment on this. I'm just working in metric. So finished size is 44.6 millimeters. Now, if we look at our table and see 44.5 is 1 3/4, and we want an interference, so we're going to go 44.6, so we've got 1/2 mil. And we're going to go for a bit slower finish this time. Not that it really matters, because on these ones, you might be able to make out, no, you can't really make out. I can to the naked eye. It's a fairly coarse finish. Yeah, so anyway, this is what we're going to do. All right, we're getting close to the end of the cut. I've grabbed a few different angles which I'll have to edit, and I'll do a final measure. I've come to my mark on my dial here, which is right there, and then I'll wind the tool out. So we'll just stop there, we'll take the burrs off. And we'll keep going. We're getting deeper and deeper, we're getting close. Got my foot on the brake ready to stop. We're starting to get close now. And in fact, we'll stop it there. That was easy. That's safer. Right, there we go. We'll back everything off and turn it around. That way we got more support. Let's see how that looks. Right, that's a little bit different now, but we'll face the end off and we'll take a little bit off. And once I grab this and do the bore, it'll be right. Once again, we go in most of the way, take the burrs off. Right, there we have it. We've faced that off. This will go into stock for another job. Righto, so we've come to the end of this video. What I've decided to do is I'll just machine them down to length to the same as the old one. So we've got about got a few mil to come off there, as you can see. And what we'll do is we'll leave these, the internal bore diameter, leave these the way they are at the moment. And we'll press that into there like so. And then I'll mount this in the lathe and bore it out in situ. That'll be better than doing it separately, and I'll probably put an oil groove or two at the same time. So thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate the support. If you want to stay up to date, you know, like, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. The rain's off and on here. Here we go. The sun's come out, but the rain's coming over again. One of the shed dogs was out here before having a play. Probably gone back upstairs now. That's what it looks like at the moment. Saturday afternoon here in my part of the world. So trying to do a bit of editing and catch us all later on. Thanks for the support. Talk to you later. Bye.